Hi there, here is a step-by-step guide to start investing in the stock market. Investing in stocks involves a few simple steps. Number 1. Research and education. Start by educating yourself about the stock market, different companies, and industries. Understand the risks and rewards of stock investing to figure out if this investing method is the best for you. Number 2. Choose a brokerage account. Select a reputable brokerage firm that suits your needs. It will serve as the platform you will use for buying and selling stocks. Number 3. Fund your account. Deposit money into your brokerage account. The amount you invest depends on your financial goals, available capital, and risk tolerance as well. Number 4. Stock selection. Research and analyze the companies you're interested in. Look for strong financials, growth potential, a solid business model, and make sure your values align with their mission statement. Number 5. Buy stocks. Once you've chosen a stock, place an order through your brokerage account. You can buy individual stocks or invest in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or mutual funds that offer exposure to multiple stocks. Number 6. Monitor and diversify. Keep track of your investments regularly and consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in different stocks from various sectors. Number 7. Long-term perspective. Investing in stocks is generally a long-term commitment. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Patience and consistency is key. Number 8. Seek professional advice. If you're uncertain about investing in stocks, consider consulting a financial advisor who can guide you based on your individual goals and risk tolerance. Remember, investing in stocks carries risks, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Be patient, stay informed, and invest only money you can afford to put at risk. And that's it. It may seem complex, but all it really requires is research and commitment. Trust the process and you will reap the benefits. Happy investing!